His contribution, not question.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mujola Oluwa. So I have a few things I've put down. I would like to maybe start from where she stopped. I remember I read Aisha Osori's Love Does Not Win Elections. And she was saying that she discovered that when she contested for primaries, she didn't win, that most of the key decisions were taken in the night, when they expect that women would have gone to their husbands, their children. Then they would decide in the afternoon, she will go home, at night they will take another decision. When she comes in the morning, they will say that things have changed. Eventually she didn't win. When she got to the primaries venue on the primaries day, in fact, a different candidate was being fielded. And she had pulled support and funds and everything. And I've been at another women's program where the woman was saying that women pay lip service a lot to equality and things like that in politics. That when she wanted to go into politics, she had to ask herself, where are men getting the money, the funding? And she had to go where they are getting it. So I feel like if we continue to push for affirmative action and say just because you're a woman, it won't work out in the long run. Because men will just look at it, will just end up in tokenism. That, okay, let's just pay lip service. Let's put a woman. Meanwhile, they're not really addressing the gender bias. So the other thing I wanted to say was, you said at a point that leadership for men is God-given. I would have loved if you had maybe given a premise for that conclusion. I do not agree. Well, I don't have my thoughts put together on that, but I disagree. I don't think that leadership for men is God-given. Because, earlier we had talked about, are leaders made or are they born? So if we say it's God-given, that means we've just said that leaders are born. So then I said that at some point, so you said that we should bring our motherly abilities, into leadership. So I was thinking about a post I had seen. Someone said that they often say that women are other leaders, Asha leaders. And then the person now replied that it's just because you expect her to be your mother and she's refusing to be your mother. So if you go to the workplace and a woman is your leader, she's not your mother in that capacity. So don't expect that, your mother has unconditional love, Your leader will not have unconditional love for you because she's a woman. So you should approach her as you would approach a man. So my thoughts on that are not conclusive, but I would like if you could just comment on it that when a woman is going into a leadership position, you say we shouldn't try to be like men. But if we bring our womanhood into the picture, are we not shooting ourselves in the leg? Because now they would expect of us things that they would not expect of a man. And I don't think that's fair. So those are my comments. Then when you said that we should make more allies, as we go on, I agree with that. But I just wanted to also add that, sometimes or most times, allies, it doesn't mean that they will be our bosom friends. I think you mentioned it. I just wanted to buttress the point that, you're not going to be cool with everybody all the time. It doesn't mean that you'll be showing them love. But it just means that you would not make them your enemies. Because at some point, you would need, people. So I remember that at some point, my director was telling us in the office, someone had done something. So she was telling the person that, as we are all working here, do you think we like each other? But you don't see us fighting because we need to work together for the bigger picture. So she was just telling the person that you need to manage your emotions. We don't like each other that much, but we need to work together for a greater goal. So those are my thoughts.
Your points I agree already, so I won't forget.
Okay.